Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this Maruchan Gold soy sauce. This looks an awful lot like Maruchan Ramen, and that's a popular range in Japan. And this one just doesn't contain pork and such, so that is nice. So you can have the flavor of fancy premium varieties of Japan without the muss and fuss of import restrictions that we like to impose on all things from outside the United States. So that makes me happy. They also have a spicy miso, which is incredibly good. I had this like right when it was launched years ago. So I don't know if they've changed it or what's going on with it. Usually after 2 or 3 years, I would say most varieties go under some kind of change due to sourcing of raw ingredients. You might ask, why? Because they can't get them anymore. Because all these places have to go and buy ingredients. Not only that, you know how many packs of this, when they do a run of it, they make? I mean, you can't just have, well, we only have a little bit of this left. It's like, you need like a lot of everything. God, who did I used to work with a guy, who, his old job is he sourced potatoes for McDonald's for the West Coast. Can you even imagine? I can't. But those were always interesting conversations I had with him, because it's just like the whole concept of, I mean, that's big food, folks. A lot of people. And it's 11:29 a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where it's cloudy, and it is January 24th, 2023. I don't want to overboil that. No. Don't suck up all that water. You gotta have some broth. Some pork. And geez, what else is going on? Not a heck of a lot. I'm thinking maybe I ought to clean my lens. It's really hard to tell on the little screen. Sometimes I just get this vibe that it's like, let's see. No, not too bad. When I make the when I torch the chashu, it spits out a lot of bits of what do you call it? Grease. It spatters from that, and sometimes it'll hit the lens, and that's no good. You don't want to get a lens covered in grease and accidentally smudge it. So there you are. You are clean. That looks a little better. I think maybe it was a little funky. Always good, as a professional, to have alcohol cleaning wipes for your lenses on hand at all times. All right. Whether you use them or not is another thing. I've kind of had a feeling like, maybe the lens is a little dirty for like, I don't know, 3 weeks. That's how much I care about you, right? But who knows? Maybe it was really dirty. I don't know. It didn't look like when I was doing the post-editing and stuff. But here we are. Here is our Maruchan Gold. Let's have a look-see. That's what we have. I don't know if you can see, but the oil on it is lovely. Little dancers. Like little jewels dancing on the top of the broth. Here's our noodle. Here we are. That's a nice shoyu. Stacked with umami. Very much so. It's got a really nice kind of that brewed soy sauce flavor. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but it's good. I enjoy that. We're gonna use this one, and for the next one, we'll use the one from my sister-in-law. She got me one bowl that is like really easy to use, and images come out really nice. And then another one that it's like it's got a lot of angles in it. So it's kind of tricky to figure out the exact right. Wow, look at that broth! Holy crap! The right way, the right application. But I'll figure it out. I need to comb over. It's one thing I've never understood. So I'm a dude. My hair is definitely. I've got like a big old freaking chrome dome on top, and then a bunch, like a circle of hair. It's like a hair halo. But I don't know. There's like people that lose their like dudes who lose their mind about losing their hair, and I don't. I got way bigger things to worry about than evolution, folks. I don't know. That's pretty. I like that. Let's see if we can dirty up that lens again. A guy was like giving me crap, like, you're putting cold chashu on that, that's horrible, and blah blah blah, you should warm it up at least a little bit. It's like, hey, this isn't a restaurant. Jeez. But I don't know, I like how it looks better after it's been torched a little bit. That's why I do it. God, wait till you guys see the next one I'm doing. Oh boy, oh boy. This one is top notch though. This is easy a 5-star shoyu. And I mean, the only difference between this and the... Whoa! Not as I wanted it to go. Not only that, cripes. Sometimes things just don't go the way we want them to go. What can you do? All live. No. I need one of these. That was crazy. I thought everything was going to go straight to hell right there for a second. There's that. I'm going to add in some mung bean sprout. I did get some yesterday. It's good till the 28th. Again, on with the whole mung bean sprout freak out constant. I like that. And I like a little seed. I got 2 containers that are the same size, and one of them is a seasoning, and one of them is my sesame seeds. And then we need a little shichimi. Right about. I like shichimi, I won't lie. No lie. No lie. Let's see.
do a different song.
Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we're going to have will be this Otogi Jin Jambong Spicy Seafood Noodle. I freaking love this. I got this. I had it on Lunar New Year's Day. The last time I had it before then was in 2017 in Taipei at a little restaurant called Love Instant Noodles. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Next episode. Have a good one. Bye.